Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best leg cast covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wilsco leg cast cover. Wilsco leg cast cover is one of the most effective and user-friendly leg cast covers that you will find on the market today. It comes with a waterproof design that allows you to confidently get in a shower without worrying about your wrap getting wet. Therefore, if you have rashes, bandages, abrasions, burns, or cast, this is the best product that you can buy and be certain that it will remain dry. Ideally, this product comes with a durable material that will serve you for a while before you feel the need of buying another one. Moreover, its reusable design helps to save you money in the long run, making it economically friendly. You should feel free, safe, and comfortable to stand with this leg cast cover in the shower, carpets, and slick surfaces without worrying that it can slide. Moving on at number 4, we have the EZWashka cast cover. Are you searching for the best leg cast cover that the market has to offer in 2022? This product comes with an easy-to-use design and so you do not need an extra hand to put it on. Additionally, this product is made using environmentally friendly neoprene spandex and superior quality PVC materials to ensure that it effortlessly stretches to fit different leg sizes. Moreover, this leg cast cover is elastic and this comes in handy to ensure that it does not interfere with circulation of blood. Furthermore, you will be amazed by the enhanced longevity that it features because you can reuse it for 6 to 8 weeks, saving you money in the long run. Besides, it comes with a watertight seal to ensure that your leg cast remains dry even when you go to the shower. At number 3, we have the Vive leg cast cover. This is a highly affordable leg cast cover that you need to buy today before it runs out of stock. The product features a lightweight construction to ensure that it is not adding to the extra weight of the cast on your leg. It is made using composite material that is extremely durable to save you money in the long run. Every one of its seams is reinforced to ensure that it is leak resistant and that it will not tear. Additionally, this product comes with a watertight seal that features ergonomic pull tabs to facilitate ease of use and to ensure that your leg cast will not get wet when you are in the shower. As a matter of fact, the protector seal will completely block dirt, sand, and grime from getting in touch with the leg cast and also from irritating your skin. At number 2, we have the Sunbee waterproof leg cast cover for shower. This is an easy-to-use best leg cast cover that you can buy on the market in 2022. The product will be easy to put on and also remove, making it highly user-friendly. Its opening is highly elastic and this implies that you will effortlessly pull it off or on. It also comes with a comfortable and soft watertight seal which is made using neoprene composite elastic material that will not interfere with blood circulation. Its elasticity is enhanced and it is lightweight and applies minimal pressure on you to boost comfort. You will also appreciate that it comes with a reusable design, which saves you money in the long run. Ideally, this leg cast cover features TPU PVC material which is safe for taking baths or chemotherapy showers. Besides, this product comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee to ensure that you can have back your money if you are dissatisfied with the quality of its performance. Therefore, if you are recovering from skin problems, injuries, and surgery, this is the best leg cast cover that you need to order today. And finally at number 1, we have the Doact Adult Waterproof Leg Cast Cover for Bath. This is a product that features premium quality silicone material to ensure that it does not irritate your skin. Therefore, you can be certain that its medical-grade material and quality will give you the best service when you are recovering from surgery, injuries, or other skin problems. It features a watertight elastic rubber which will not exert a lot of pressure on your leg and so it will not get in the way of blood circulation. One of the best things that you will love about this leg cast cover is that it is latex-free, as its composition contains PP, silicone and PVC materials, and so it is skin-friendly even to people with sensitive skin. Since it comes with superior durability and sturdy construction, this product can be reusable and serve you for a long time, saving you money in the long run. It also allows free leg movement, and it comes with a knee length to ensure that it can fit most adults. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.